Super deal alert from softwaretrailers.com. We are delighted to share CoinStats software lifetime deal for only $95.99. Do you have multiple exchanges, wallets, and other platforms in cryptocurrency? Are you tired of going from one cryptocurrency website to another to check your account? Get all your crypto in one place. Use CoinStats. CoinStats is your crypto portfolio manager. CoinStats supports the most popular cryptocurrency platforms such as Binance, Coinbase, Ethereum Wallet, Ledger Nano Wallet, and so much more. Track all of your assets from a single dashboard and trade on numerous exchanges from a single platform. CoinStats allows you to calculate your profit and loss easily. Monitor your liquidity, portfolio analytics, and automatic alerts. Examine your overall crypto investing situation and begin taking efforts to improve it. You can also view your whole trade and transaction history with CoinStats. CoinStats has the potential to make money and assist you in making the correct decisions at the right moment. CoinStats gives you a comprehensive picture of all your assets, including the value of each coin, how much you possess, and how much it is worth on any given day. It also displays the value of your holdings across several exchanges, allowing you to know exactly how much your coins are worth without having to log into multiple sites. CoinStats lifetime deals starts at only $95.99. You can save as much as $70 if you buy their lifetime access. Check out the link below to know more about CoinStats. Read all details and reviews carefully to determine if CoinStats is right for you. Avail CoinStats lifetime deal for only $95.99. Save big and grab this deal today. Keep track of all your crypto with CoinStats. Check out the link in the description to access the deal. Get through our collection of current software lifetime deals available on the top right of your screen. You will definitely find a software solution that suits you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get our latest software deals with great discounts. Thanks for watching. See you next time.